As any avid biker, ATV, or driving enthusiast will tell you, tire punctures become more and more likely the more you use and enjoy your set of wheels. Whether you're mountain biking and hit a sharp rock or off-roading and pick up a nail on a back lane, a puncture repair kit can mean the difference between making it home and having to walk many miles or wait by the side of the road for assistance. There are many products available to choose best tire repair kit, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, wrote tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tire repair kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tubeless Universal Tire Repair Kit. This diverse puncture kit from Tubeless is an effective investment because it works on all different kinds of tires, so long as they're tubeless. These hand tools and adhesive rubber strings are durable, well tested and positively reviewed, and quite straightforward to use, even if it takes a bit of elbow grease. Once the plug is in, it will actually last you quite an extensive period of time in your tire, so long as you inserted it properly. Just because you can drive extensively with this kind of plug-in, your tire doesn't necessarily mean you should. Neglecting to replace a plug tire is illegal in some places, so you might want to look into that where you're from. Number 2. Pitstop Tubeless Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Have you struggled with the adhesive rubber strings before and found them a little difficult, so you'd rather try another kind of puncture repair? Maybe you'll get along better with these plastic plugs from Pitstop instead. This kit is easy to use, does not require you to remove the tire, and is intended to be universal for all tubeless tire kinds. They provide you with 15 reinforced plastic plugs, 3 hand tools, and some additional repair pieces, all packed well together in a convenient zipping case. Although these plugs work in almost any kind of tire, it's worth noting that they're only effective on surface punctures in the tire's actual tread. They will not work on actual cuts in the tire, and they will also not sit properly enough to stop air leakage and sidewall punctures. Number 3. Vibrilli Mini Bike Pump and Glueless Puncture Repair Kit. If the wheels you're working with are slightly smaller and smoother along with the tread, then perhaps a glueless patch kit like this one from Vibrilli would work a little better for you. This kit comes with rubber adhesive patches that seal smoothly around puncture holes without the sticky mess of glue, and also a sponge pad that helps you work out wrinkles and air bubbles. Additionally, you'll receive a small handheld air pump and gauge for refilling your tire pressure once the patch is in place. The pump even comes with a rack to mount it smoothly on your bike frame. Even though these patches are universal to most bike tires, they're best used on smoother treads. If your tread is very high and textured and a puncture happens between 2 raised pieces, your patch won't stick well enough for an airtight seal. Number 4. Dawei A35 Bike Tire Repair Kit. If you're going to invest in a bike tire repair kit specifically, would you rather get one that's a little more comprehensive, but still stores conveniently into a strap-on kit? Then we're pretty sure the 16-in-1 bicycle multi-tool offered in this bundle from Dawei will be enough to convince you. Besides this slightly more all-purpose repairs feature, you'll also get puncture patches, a few plastic plugs, and a hand-powered tire pump for refilling the pressure after patching. It's worth noting that this tire pump doesn't actually have either a gauge or a top-stopping feature to notify you when you've reached the correct tire pressure and help you avoid overfilling. It's a matter of judging manually based on how difficult the hand pump is to press down properly. Number 5. Dawei 16-in-1 Multifunction Bicycle Repair Tool. Did we really catch your attention when we started talking about the idea of a 16-in-1 multi-tool make for bicycles, but you're just not sure that you want to carry a kit containing an entire hand pump on the side of your bike? Then maybe this similar but slightly pared down bundle from Dawei will be a little more up your alley. They still provide you with everything you need to fix a puncture with patches, but without the pump, and added more occasional use of hand tools. Keep in mind that, like in a few of the kits you saw before, these patches are better for tires with smoother treads, because they might not seal properly around a puncture hole that sits between thickly raised pieces. It is, therefore, better for road bikes than mountain bikes. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.